I love nature, but I live in a city where I can't find the real nature I'm looking for, so I decided to build a miniature pond ecosystem. After seriously chatting with ChatGPT and watching some professional YouTube videos, I learned that a stable aquarium ecosystem depends on these main components: substrate, plants, beneficial bacteria, and animals. Every organism works together to form a cycle. Fish produce waste, and bacteria break it down into ammonia, a chemical that is highly toxic to aquatic animals. One group of beneficial bacteria then converts the ammonia into nitrite, which is then converted into nitrate by another group of bacteria, and plants use the nitrate as fertilizer. At the same time, snails and shrimp clean up the leftover food, algae, and dead plant matter, breaking large pieces down so bacteria can decompose them more easily. If the plants, bacteria, and animals are balanced, nutrients are continuously recycled. In theory, this creates an ecosystem that can sustain itself with very little human intervention, and that's my goal. So I bought some random aquatic plants, a small glass bowl, aquasoil, sand, lava rocks, and some guppies. First, I put down a layer of aquasoil as the nutrient source and topped it with some sand. Next, I placed 2 lava rocks as hardscape and home for beneficial bacteria. Finally, I planted the aquatic plants. Once everything was in place, I slowly filled the bowl with water, completing the build. Since this was the first time I've ever made something like this, I think I did pretty well. All I had to do was wait for the ecosystem to settle and mature. So far, things seem to be going well, but there are still a few problems. The green plants in the background have developed quite a few black leaves, and I don't know why. The water is pretty clear. That's a little strange because almost every aquarium setup video I've watched mentions algae problems during the first few weeks. Also, my bowl is actually pretty small for the fish, making it relatively easy to become overloaded. I worry that adding fish could overwhelm the system and cause water quality issues. Well, the only way to find out is to try it, so I added 2 guppies and let nature do the rest. And that's where the project stands for now. I'll continue posting updates on how the ecosystem develops, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.